Let's begin another main topic, which is how to develop skills of reading fluently, or in other words, developing fluent reading skills. So within this topic, we will continue to see some of the skills which are required to make our students fluent in reading. So it's important for us as language teachers to know first what is fluent reading. So now let's have a look at some of the definition of fluent reading and how it can be made an important part of our pedagogical practice as language teachers. Okay. What's fluent reading? The question is it learned or developed? For example, if I claim myself, or if some of you claim that you are fluent in reading, so have you learned it or developed it? And how does long it take to become fluent reader? Can every student become a fluent reader? So these are the questions which intrigue us as language teachers. And these are the questions which we need to be aware of as language teachers, because at the end of the day, our job as language teachers is to make our students fluent in reading. So is it someone who seems to, digest material for all kinds in second language? Are they called fluent reader? Or is it one who can remember, summarize and discuss what was read? Or are they called fluent reader, or someone who loves to read? Is she called fluent reader, one who loves reading? So in terms of defining a fluent reading, I've got one key definition, and it's worth reading here by Grabe and Stoller. Fluent reading involves cognitive abilities to process visual and semantic information efficiently. It's all about, if you say that I'm fluent reader, it means that you can make the meaning or gather the main message of the text by employing various strategies efficiently, combining automatic and attentional skills. And you know how to notice, what to notice, which part of the text to be noticed or which to be ignored, most appropriate for the task involved. So fluent reading involves a lot of cognitive strategies on the part of the readers, or in other words, cognitive skills, mental skills or abilities to make meaning of the words of the given text, right? So of course it's difficult to define fluent reading, but fluent readers are those who can not only just decode words, but they can have a clear understanding of the text, right? And fluent readers are those who can have appropriate interpretation of the text, who can summarize, who can synthesize, who can tell others about what was read. So that's the characteristic of a fluent reader. And those who can know how to make the use of complex process that involves cognitive, cultural, world and linguistic knowledge. So fluent readers are those readers who know how to make the use of their mental ability to understand the cultural knowledge presented in the text, understand the linguistic knowledge presented in the text. So defining fluent reading is not easy. As I said before, it involves a lot of interpretations, and there are a lot of shades of interpretations attached to fluent reader. But this definition of fluent reading, a reader in this module has helped us become aware of who is fluent reader. And now this is our job as language teachers, to make it a part of our pedagogical practice. That it should be one of the prime aims of our teaching to make our students fluent readers who can decode the words appropriately and efficiently. And now we will continue to see in this main topic what is fluent reading and what are the strategies which we can take recourse to in order to make our students fluent readers.